Hi everybody, my name's Lisa. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Paint and Create. I started this channel just recently because I am a decorative painter at home, basically on leave because I herniated a major disc in my back. Um, Obviously it's a physical job and pinched off a major nerve, so I haven't been able to walk or stand or sit or sleep and needed a creative outlet. So my friend Mindy, who's also an artist and starting a channel, decided to share our experiences. And my goal is to share projects with you. Many of them I will do tutorials and share trade secrets that really aren't secrets. Showing you step by step what kind of products you can use, alternatives to the products I use. And really anybody can do these paint techniques and transform furniture, walls, ceilings, anything really. I've been a decorative painter for 16 plus years. I was always an artist as I grew up, and I somehow ended up in engineering, which is analytical, and I also love that aspect of using my brain, but creativity is my love, and design is my love, and I love doing things for people and making people happy, and it's become a fantastic, successful business for me. And I just want to empower people to either start a business or just do a project, give them the confidence and the how-to, and answer questions for people by painting. So I'll also be doing other things. That's why I added the create to my channel name, because I create in every aspect of my life. I love to cook and create new culinary takes, and I love to garden and do flower gardens. I love to design and put things together. I love to sew. I, for a while in my business, did home deck sewing, creating and making custom draperies and valances and bedspreads and you name it. I've dabbled with plaster. We do plaster walls with metallics and stencils and all kinds of good stuff. So I hope you enjoy. So please just hit the subscribe button, even though I'm brand new, and hopefully you'll be seeing really cool things, and you will be empowered to try new creative things and learn new techniques. And I'll be with you along the way. Thanks for watching.